Guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen. And on today's episode, we'll be flying all the way to Italy. I know you're wondering why do I have these things on my hands, but this is just to show you that if you have ever eaten an eggplant and maybe you never loved it, because personally I've ever eaten it and did not love it at all, this is your sign to try this sauteed Italian eggplant recipe. So from to this in just 3 minutes, okay? And let's taste it together, guys, because I don't want you guys to say that maybe I made this and maybe it was not nice, or maybe I'm just trying to favor Italians, or kindly to have a taste. You don't want, taste it, guys, just taste it. Okay, if you're shy, let me just taste it for you. Chef's kiss. It's so nice. The only downfall is that the outer part is the one which is only hard, but otherwise I love this. I cannot even believe that I hated eggplants. Make this together. So guys, one thing I've noticed, because I've been checking out on different eggplant recipes, and one thing is for sure, that the eggplant I've seen in China is not the same as in Kenya, and is not the same as in Italy. But today we'll be traveling to Italy, okay? So stay tuned. You know, let me tell you one thing. If there's something that I dislike also here in Kenya, is how we make our eggplants. Here in Kenya we make our eggplants together with onions, and hey, it is okay, it's not eaten separately, it is used as an ingredient, okay? So personally I do not love that. So this is a disclaimer. Today I'm making something that I do not love. You see, these are the things that while growing up, hey, this was just a punishment to me. Telling me to eat this, it was just a punishment. But in our local dialect we say, if you do not go outside and travel, you will always think that your mom is the best chef. So why should we not go to Italy and test how they make their eggplant? You know, we could be making our eggplants wrong all this while. Because imagine, even on the internet I've seen people making eggplant, like roasting it in the oven and adding cheese. Like, what do you mean? That is something so not Kenyan. So the first step, okay, I've talked a lot. The first step is definitely chop up your eggplants. And for this recipe I'll just be cooking 2 eggplants, okay? These 2 eggplants are just enough. I don't want to cook maybe a lot and then I'll be disappointed, okay? So these 2 are enough. As a global chef, or as a global kitchen traveler, involve me in recipes that do not require a lot of ingredients, because tell me why. This eggplant recipe does not need a lot. It does not need a lot. No. So, okay, the only thing that I saw that it needed a lot is tomatoes. And for 2 eggplants, 1 big tomato, 1 small tomato, I think that's just enough. So I'm just going to be chopping this up. And also we have some garlic. I'm sure you know, guys, maybe I really love the taste that garlic leaves. That Italians are just good when it comes to things like pizza. Maybe I was wrong. Let me just be honest. Okay, while doing my research, I learned that these eggplants are usually very wet. Like, they usually have a lot of moisture in them. That is why you have to like add salt, and then you rinse off the salt. But personally, allow me to just skip that major part because I don't have time. So our garlic is chopped up. Let's get to the cooking part. But disclaimer, don't forget to pat your eggplants, but mine don't look as if they have moisture. So we'll be adding in some oil. This oil should be enough to fry the eggplant. Okay. So we're going to let this heat up, I guess. But I Sometimes I just wonder, do you guys go and try to make some recipes and then you're like, what did that chef try to mean? Because, okay, the recipe that I was watching, that honestly, that chef never said whether you should let this oil heat up or not. So, I think I'm just going to wait for it to be lukewarm, because I think lukewarm is, it's something which is in the middle. It's not that hot and it's not that cold, right? So, it's already ready. And my Italian fans who are watching, kindly comment down below and tell me, how is your girl Tracy doing? Yes? How am I doing? So, I'm waiting for this to caramelize, and I cannot wait for this. So far, one thing I can notice is the shrinkage. They have really shrunk in size, and they are turning. They are acting as if they want to caramelize. They are already ready. Look at that, and we also have a lot of leftover oil. I done got my eggplants. I think the more they stayed in the fridge, the more they dehydrated. Kind of. So I'm just going to place it here. This one I'll definitely recycle this oil. Our oil was hot, so we just place in our ginger. So if you want to our garlic, sorry, if you want to just flavor your food with garlic and not have the garlic in your food, you can just crush it a little bit, not grating or grinding, just crush, and then after it has cooked, after everything is well cooked, you just remove it. One thing is that the oil has already infused the garlic spice, and also tomatoes will infuse that. Personally, I don't mind. I do not mind. Garlic and tomato. I've just added in a little bit of salt, and if you want pepper, you can definitely add pepper. But personally, I want babies to eat fish, so I won't add in pepper. Add in your eggplant at that point. Give that a good mix, and voila, we are done. Look at that. And this is for somebody who doesn't take tomatoes, and this one is for now everybody. So I think you can just take this with a side dish, maybe a sweet potato or anything that you want, and it looks really nice. It really looks nice. So look at that meal, guys. Look at that yumminess overload. The smell, 10 over 10. I love it.